here is the Frozen 2 Light and Sparkle Elsa. Very cool design and color doll, but it's actually not a doll. This is kind of like a, I guess a light that you just put in your room. Now, my daughter has already used her markers with it. We've also used the stickers. As you can see, there's already some stickers on her hair. She's already colored this. This was white.
And there's even a crown.
There is even a crown, okay. And so also the blue was already put on there. Here's the button right here, so let's press that button. And you can see that it starts glowing. Now this is kind of like a snow globe. You can see the sparkliness inside. It's basically filled with water. It's a water-filled bottle, but her whole dress, and that's what it looks like. She's got all her stickers all over her hair. But you can pretty much design this any way you want. And you've got rubber, kind of rubbery arms. The base is white that you can color on. Got all the stickers. And then you also have what?
Glitter.
It's like a glitter glue.
Glitter.
That we're gonna, like, you just squeeze out and you can put this on her dress, so that makes it even glittery, more glitter.
Oh, it comes out.
Anyway, well, let's do that, and I'll show you what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. Light and Sparkle Elsa. Turn light on, watch your design sparkle. Okay, so you can kind of see this kind of come out. So it's kind of it's kind of like a glue, I don't know, slime kind of thing. So once it dries, it'll be even more glittery and sparkly.
Put it on here.
Squeeze it out on this brush here and just basically paint it up and down. You can kind of see it was clear.
Something.
It was clear here, and we're getting all this glittery glue on here. Paint it on with the brush. Get it nice. That is for the Light and Sparkle Elsa from Frozen 2. Pretty cool little little designer snow globe you can put right on your nightstand, and it looks pretty cool. So make sure you check that out. Highly recommend this, and pretty super cool, super cute.